In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the Intelliflex SARS-CoV-2 IgG multiplex assay protocol we created in the previous video in this series. For more information on how to configure this protocol, please see the associated video. If you'd like to download a copy of the protocol, please click the below link. I have open our qualitative protocol, and I have an Intelliflex Qualitative data file similar to the file used to create the protocol. Opening the CSV output exported from the Luminex Intelliflex, we can see the file contains the plate geometry, followed by sample ID and well location columns, and then for each analyte, the columns show the analyte name, median, and count. To import this data for use with our protocol, I'll close the measurement file, and within the MyAssays desktop protocol, I'll open the import wizard. I'll select that I'd like to import measurements, and next I'll browse for and select my measurement file. On the next step, we can see that the measurement data has been automatically imported, showing the median and count as two separate matrices. We can view the data for each of the analytes by using the analyte drop-down box. Any associated metadata included in the data file has also been imported on the Meta tab. If we leave the Calculate Results checkbox selected, when we press Finish, our data is automatically imported and our results are calculated. We can see the overall results on the results sheet, followed by the individual sample tables for each analyte on subsequent sheets. Now, let's say I'd like to streamline my workflow by automating the data analysis process. This can be accomplished using the folder pull tool included with your MyAssays Desktop Pro license. For more information on using folder pull in general, please see the associated video. I have a folder on my desktop that I've set as the export location for my Intelliflex CSV data files. This means that when the data collection process is completed, the exported files will appear in this folder. Back in our protocol, I'll again select to open the import wizard. I'll browse for and select our measurement data file. On the next step, I'll select the Automatically Launch this protocol when a new measurement file is detected via folder pull option. Here we can specify the folder, which automatically defaults to the folder containing the currently imported measurement data, the Intelliflex export folder on my desktop. We can restrict the files to be processed by adding a file filter, in this case, only importing files with a CSV extension. And finally, we can select what should happen when a new file is detected in the folder. Launch the protocol and import data ready for review. Launch the protocol, import the data, and calculate results. Launch the protocol, import data, calculate results, and create a PDF, XLSX, or DocX report, then exit. Or launch, import, calculate, print, and exit. You'll also notice there are advanced options, which can allow you to specify a different set of operations not listed in the drop-down box. I'll select the option to launch the protocol, import data, and calculate results. On the next step, we can see a summary of the folder pull configuration we've just set up. I'll remove the Import Data Now for Analysis checkbox and press Finish. Our poll has now been configured. Let's test it out. I'll first close out of MyAssays desktop, and to simulate the addition of another measurement file to our folder, I'll create a copy of the existing data file. You can see MyAssays desktop is opening, importing our data, and our results have been calculated and now appear here for our review. Folder pull is now configured and runs as a service automatically. This means that the service will start automatically each time the computer is turned on, so no further configuration is required, with the data files exported to the specified folder being processed by MyAssays Desktop automatically. If you have any questions about how to use MyAssays Desktop Pro to analyze your qualitative Intelliflex multiplex data, or how to configure folder pull, please email us at support@myassays.com.